everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. Check it out, guys. Oh my goodness, you do not want to miss today's video. Today I'm in Hampstead at Future Homes. I'm going to be taking you through their Carolina Cape plan. The Carolina Cape will consist of an optional front porch, so we can do whatever we want to out here as far as the front porch goes. Check out that cedar shake up top, the vertical siding. A lot of good detail in this home for you to see today. Now this plan can be just a good old-fashioned one-level ranch. They've got a rendering out front kind of showing you what that could look like. So we've got a 6-foot porch here going from side to side across the whole house. Just a great rocking chair front porch. Gonna be hard to beat sitting out here, am I right? Vinyl wrap pickets and posts. Gonna be ultra durable. When they get dirty, you can just spray them off with a pressure washer. Recessed can lights in that front porch. Always a nice detail. Let's get in here and take a look. So this is the Carolina Cape. This is just over 2,000 square feet when I'm including the upstairs. Now the upstairs will be completed on site, so you don't have to finish the upstairs, and obviously if you do, it's a little bit extra. But this main space is just awesome. I love the living room. You've essentially got 5 big glass windows in this living room, which is going to provide all the natural light you're ever going to need. Notice the shiplap on the stairwell wall. You've seen this done in a few of my other videos, but that's always an option to do that feature wall on the stairwell wall. Now, to the main part of the house here. My favorite part about this model is definitely this kitchen. Just look at all those cabinets. Got the beautiful quartz countertops in here today. Love that. Now we show and sell a ton of the under cabinet transoms. There are your over cabinet transoms. I could actually do both or neither. I love the under cabinet lighting. That's nice. Under mounted switches and outlets. We've talked about the range hood a ton, but you have 2 included range hoods at no cost. You can always mount the microwave like you're seeing here. Double windows on both sides of that table. Just a great main space. Okay? Big old pantry cabinets. To my left, notice the 5-panel interior doors. Those are optional or an upgrade. You're talking about less than $1,000. You've got a storage closet off that kitchen. You'd probably put your mops and stuff like that in there. And then you've got a little hallway. To my left is the master bedroom. We'll save that for in a few minutes. Straight ahead is a half bath. I get a ton of questions about half baths. Very few plans have them, included in their standard or stock plan, but I tell people I can always create a half bath. Where is the space coming from? What are we losing? Did it impact the plan to the point where we don't like it anymore? But they do exist, and they always could be worked in if that's important to you. Okay, here's that utility room. Notice the craftsman style casing around your doors and windows. You got the big glass in the door there to let that natural light into this utility. Countertop folding station there. That's always going to be nice. I get a lot of questions about creating something like this. I love that. Got the utility room sink in the base cabinet, and then your washer and dryer hookup, okay? Simple as that. And then we'll check out this master bedroom, and then we'll show you upstairs real quick. So, for this size house, a really good size master bedroom. Really nice size. And then right here, we've got this closet, a walk-in, of course. Very deep, shelving all the way around. Gotta love that. And then just off the bed here is that master bath entrance. You'll be greeted with a separated dual vanity or separated vanities. Big drop-in garden tub there. Private water closet to my right. And then, let me back up just a little bit. See, tub there, secondary vanity there. Got this big window over the tub. Another window between the second vanity and the shower. There's another example of that 60-inch shower. They did option in the ceramic tile, the rain head, and an additional can light. And then sandwiched in between the two, the water closet and the shower, is a linen cabinet. So no linen closet, but I mean, I think this would be sufficient in most cases. Really, really good master bathroom. I always tell my customers, do not get caught up on the master baths in my videos or in our models. The master bath and the front porch are gonna be two of our big talking points as we design this thing. So back in the main space, just take all that in one more time. I love those over cabinet transoms. I'm gonna use this video as a reference. Oh yeah, and the coffered over the island. We show something very similar in our Greenbrier model. That's always gonna dress up a kitchen. Let's go up here and check it out. I don't have a ton of examples to show you of finished upstairs, and the ones I do, seems like they're all in-law suites. So this is gonna be valuable for you to just see kind of normal spare bedrooms, no in-law suites or anything. Again, this would be done on site. So anytime you get into doing stuff like this on site, it is going to stretch out that build time a little bit, raise our cost a little bit, because again, we're doing it on site. But just a tub shower. So you got a bedroom here. There are plans that come or show up with the second level already finished. Very rare. If you wanted to reference one, look at the Middlebury on our website. Basically, that is a 4-piece modular home, 4 modules. We're going to put 2 on the bottom and then stack 2 more finished modules on top. Base prices are going to go up, but that upstairs is going to show up finished. Probably a little office or maybe even a little hangout area for the kids. TV, office area, yeah, that's what they're kind of showing in the rendering. Here, you've got 2 different ways to kind of lay it out. And then you've got that 3rd bedroom at this point. Good stuff. So again, my name is Shields. I'm with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. We're out of Burlington, North Carolina, and we build all over that central region of North Carolina. But today's video was of the Carolina Cape at Future Homes in Hampstead. Shout out to Trey and all the great people at Future Homes. This is something we can build all day long and twice on Sunday. So if you like this plan, you get with me and we'll build it. Thank you guys for all the subscriptions. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. New videos Monday and Thursday every week, and be on standby because I'm telling you right now, I've got some absolute heaters on deck for you guys. So gonna be banger after banger coming up. Just great build after great build, beautiful home after beautiful home. So stay tuned for that, guys. Take care.